In this video we will show how to hang front and rear wands. First find the wand brackets, line the bracket up with the wand and place both bolts through. Make sure to use anti-seize, and then tighten. Next, attach the short high-pressure hose to the wand. Use anti-seize on the male JIC fitting before attaching the hose. With help, slide the wand bracket through the trolley plate brackets and attach the high-pressure hose. Once the hose is connected, let the wand hang just on the hose, and level the wand, then tighten all bolts. Next, open the trolley box cover and locate the poly tubing for pre-soak. Run the tubing down and connect to the push-lock fitting. On the rear wand there is an optic at the bottom. You will need to run the orange cable and connect it to the optic. Once you're done, you can move on to the main bridge wands.